At 110 pages of newly filed court documents, Jose Baez claims Casey's potentially damaging statements made in front of bounty hunter Leonard Padilla's employees are covered by attorney-client privilege. He says they can't be used against her. But West 2's Bob Keeling spoke to one defense lawyer today who says Baez has it all wrong. Bob?
Yeah, Jim, under Florida law, he says bail bondsmen and their employees are not covered by attorney-client privilege. He says Baez should have known that and done a better job of making sure Casey didn't say anything potentially damaging when Padilla got her out of jail. Jose Baez has filed this motion asking for a protective order. He claims statements Casey made in front of Leonard Padilla's employees last August are covered by attorney-client privilege. To support his argument, he offered these privacy agreements everyone signed.
Jose Baez is going to have a tough hill to climb on this one.
Defense lawyer Richard Hornsby says the agreements are essentially worthless because Florida statutes do not allow attorneys and bail bondsmen to enter into these types of confidentiality agreements.
Jose Baez never should have had a reasonable expectation that anything she said would be confidential or fall under the attorney-client privilege. And that's a big problem, and he should have advised her right away, don't say anything to anybody.
Start telling investigators the truth.
After putting up the money to get Casey out of jail, Padilla placed his employee, Tracey McLaughlin, inside the Anthony's house to essentially protect his investment. Padilla later confirmed that Casey blurted out while watching coverage of the search for her missing daughter, quote, "They haven't even found the clothes yet." Hornsby says McLaughlin's testimony about Casey's statements and behavior could be very valuable to the prosecution. So Judge Stan Strickland can either issue an order in response to Baez's protective order motion, or he could hold a hearing somewhere down the line. Jim?
Bob, thanks a lot.